Welcome to Launch and Profit newsletter Launchpad.
If you have something that you want to say, you know that there's stuff that you have inside you that other people need to hear, a newsletter is a great way to get that out there, right? I really I believe in newsletters. Newsletters now do what blogs used to do before, especially with some of the solutions that are available these days, right? They get you out into the wider world. And newsletters can also work for you if you just want to get stuff out there. If you want to, you're feeling the urge to vent, to start talking about things, you don't necessarily even have to have that shape of what it's going to be right at the beginning because it can evolve. And that's something that you will hear me say as we continue throughout this course, right? What is your best and most impactful content, right? You probably already know. And it might surprise you. It might be something that's not even related to your main thing. It might be something that you just threw out there and all of a sudden it just blew up on your key social media platform. But that is a clear sign that that's something that people are interested in, right? You are the magic. You are the person that has something different to say to offer your audience. Hey, now I know how I can create a content process that is fit for me.
So let's start with the burning question for most people, which is how much money can you actually make with an email newsletter? Well, first of all, should you monetize? Should you not monetize? When should you monetize? Questions and considerations include, do you want it as a main income? In which case you probably better start monetizing. Do you want it as a side income? You might decide to take a little more time to grow. Is it an income replacement? Think about how much you want to make, which is why I asked that question, right? What should you charge? Many newsletters even start at $5 a month, but there are other people that consider their newsletter a premium product and charge more.